Obviously the pond survived. I brought Loci and Goliath down because they had the smallest run. And I figured they could use the exercise walking down. See, Loci's happy and healthy. Says, I defy the storm! Oh, give me attitude face, why don't you? There's a branch in there. It's causing some issues. I'll try to pull it out. Just hope I don't fall in. Obviously, I moved the bridge. And unfortunately, it's got some damage, so I'll have to find a new bridge. So anybody has any lawn ornaments they want to get. Alright. But I think we survived this. And there's an overflow. Obviously. And over there, let's see if I can zoom in. That's Israel Creek. Feeder creek to the Potomac River. One of the main waterways to supply water this into the county. And that's Kessel Road. And that clunk you just heard was Goliath being klutzy. There's G-Man. He survived too. Alright, well the pond survived. I'm going to have to try to get the stick out without falling in. Wish me luck, folks. Bye.